Alright, so let's work on the meals component. So previously I've been working on some CSS for two components. Let's create the first one. Uh, this is like a kind of message for the users. Alright, so let's import um, the whole classes from the CSS. Okay, then we need an object, and the name will be meal summary. All right, so then let's use another function, and um, for now we just need to deliver inside a section just a message. All right, so let's use a h2 tag, HTML tag. Okay, something like this. And enjoy a delicious traditional dish. Okay. Um, okay, that's enough. And let's export summary. I have a typo right here. Alright, so we're good. We got the first object component. Right, so let's create another one, and this time we will need a component where we will display our products. Alright, so I need to use a flag and use stakes hooks. Alright, also this is a good moment to import from the UI the card component. Okay, remember the card is just like a container, it's just like a box from CSS. All right, let's say that we also need to import CSS. Right, so for the use state, I need to set these two objects. Essentially, those one are an arrays that will be in charge to manage the data. All right. Also, we need two more objects to inform to the user if the application is working in the fetching data process. Of course, this will be involved in some stage HTTP requests, and we also need objects for that task. Great. So essentially, the display process. In my case, I will use spec hook to refresh this part of the component just when it is necessary. By now, I will set this variable, and in some moment, I have to work in the Firebase API to get the information. All right, but in case that request was not successfully, we have to inform to the user. Okay, error obtaining information about the meals. Okay. Also, I had to work on the how to manage the data. Basically, we will obtain it in a JSON format. All right. And we need one more object to manage the to manage the data that we already obtained. After that, we have to iterate this object. All right, so for that purpose, I will use this array. Right, and I have to set. This is a good practice to assign a key for each record. Right, response data. Also, we will fetch the name, maybe a description. Okay, description, and of course, price information. Great. So far, so good. we are cool with this. We are not loading data from the API. Okay. Let's close this object. Well, let's catch any error. Okay, using catch. So set this loading is false. And for this purpose, we will use this object, okay, to obtain the error message. Great. And for now, we don't need dependencies for the use effect object. All right, so in the next video, we will continue to work on this component. As you can see, there's different stages. So let's keep working on it, and I'll see you in the next video.